Well, Singapore is putting the brakes on foreign motorists who violate smoke or noise emission standards, among other traffic laws. 12 motorists driving foreign vehicles were caught in a traffic enforcement blitz near the Woodlands Checkpoint. The joint operation was carried out by the police, the National Environment Agency and the Land Transport Authority. It's the largest enforcement of its kind since land borders with Malaysia were reopened for fully vaccinated travellers. Chua Tian Tian tells us more.
This is where the operation is carried out. Around 15 enforcement officers from the agencies will be ushering motorists, mostly truck drivers and motorcyclists operating vehicles with foreign car plates, off the main roads to this car park to undergo smoke emission tests right behind me, and also noise level emission tests right over here. And for some of those who don't pass their tests, now they'll be proceeding to the green tent to submit their personal particulars. The National Environment Agency says motorists whose vehicles exceeded permitted levels were fined on the spot. These include truck drivers whose vehicles emit over 41 cartridge smoke units from their smoke emission tests. Vehicles with excessive exhaust smoke will be turned back to Malaysia, in addition to paying a fine.
Mereka suruh tunggu di sini kerana lori asap lebih limit. Pertama kali lah. Tak, sebab saya baru kerja, baru sebulan bawa lori ni.
Noise emission tests are carried out by putting this sensor at a 45-degree angle and about half a meter away from the vehicle's exhaust pipes. Now, enforcement officers are required to rev the engines to 2/3 of its full power. A reading of 99 decibels and below means the vehicle has passed its test, whereas a reading of 100 and above means a fine will be issued.
刚从关卡出来就被抓了，就是99过后不可以嘛，我是103，第一次被抓，然后车牌也不符合标准来讲。不过在马来西亚都是可以用啊车牌，就在新加坡他说不可以。
我要去做工的，在海威给他带回来的啊，要去换成比较小声的咯。
Other drivers were also caught for making improper modifications to their vehicles. The agencies say they'll be on the lookout for vehicles that don't meet the standards. Drivers of non-compliant foreign vehicles may be denied entry at Singapore's land checkpoints and could face penalties.